Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to block and unblock someone on Badoo mobile. Now let's begin. Right here, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's look at how to block someone. At the top right, in the Photo tab, you will find these three dots. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. It's gonna give you two options, whether you want to block or block and report. I'm simply gonna select on block right here. Now it's gonna ask for confirmation. Yes, block or block and report. Right now we only want to block, so let's click on block. Well, right now as you can see, we have blocked someone on Badoo. Now let's try to unblock them. At the bottom right, you will see the profile tab right here. Simply click on it. Then you will be on your profile tab. At the top right, you're gonna be provided with two options. That's settings and edit profile. What we need to do is simply go to settings. I'm gonna click on it right now and this will open up. Well, this is the settings page. At the bottom, you'll see something like blocked users. Simply click on it and right here is the person that I had just blocked. I'm gonna click on this tab right here and this opened up. Well, likewise, at the top right, here are these three dots. Simply click on it. Then it's gonna provide you with an option to unblock. I'm simply gonna hit on unblock. And guys, there you go. We have blocked and unblocked someone on Badoo mobile. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time.